Feeling stuck in your painting process? Don't know what to paint, how to draw it, or how to choose colors? I've been there too, and that's exactly why I created the Simplified Painting Guide, a course to help you tackle these struggles and simplify your art process. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quick and simple painting in just 20 minutes using one of my favorite prompts, what's on your desk. Let's jump in. We want to keep it simple. Just a gouache palette, a small sketchbook, a pencil, an kneadable eraser, a flat brush, a round brush, and 2 jars of water. And this is it. I will add a cloth to the mix and we are good to go. If you're not sure what to paint, prompt lists are a great way to find ideas. One of the prompts of my course, the Simplified Painting Guide, is what's on your desk. This is one of my favorite prompts. For me, that's this cute crochet cupcake that my daughter made me, and that's what I'll paint today. And I won't put any pressure on me because it's just a crochet and it doesn't really matter if it's not accurate. It can be wonky because it is wonky, so you can just have fun. So I will hold it in front of me so it's facing straight so I don't have any perspective, any distortion. So let's draw the big masses. There is a kind of a square for this part with the eye and the mouth. There is a border here, another one here, and then it's a bit rounded on top. There is a bit of whipped cream and a strawberry. And I guess that's all I need. Now I can refine that looking at my reference image and make all the little parts here. So I place it aside and I have my drawing done, and I don't mind about composition because I want to have fun. I just want to paint. Let's grab my palette, and I have already some colors in there. Why not? I will take my flat brush that maybe is a bit too large for this size, but it will have to do. Let's just place the main colors first. So enjoy the moment. Don't think too hard. Don't overthink. That's a common mistake I see beginners do. They want to achieve the perfect painting every time. Not possible. Ooh, I have overlapped. That's fine. Maybe my brush is too large for the size of this painting, but I don't care. I'm using gouache here, but everything I teach in the course works for any opaque medium like acrylic or oil. And remember, don't stress about the details. Just enjoy the process. I grab my round brush, clean water, and take some white. And I know that as my background is white as well, I need to maybe add a bit of color to my white. So it will be a bit of greenish, yellowish that I have on my palette, just because otherwise it won't be visible on the background. Now some green for the leaves. And that's it for the base. I guess now what I want to do is show the stitches. And for that, I will use my round brush, add a lot of white to my mix of pink. And I don't want to be too realistic because that would be too tedious for me. I don't like that. So I'm making a first row of white light stitches, and same in the, I don't know how to call that. And you see, I'm not precious about the stitches. I'm not thinking where are they in their actual object. I'm just mimicking the effect of the stitches. That's all. And I will go also on top of that with a darker color. Just using my reddish color to make vertical spots so it looks like stitches. I don't do crochet, so bear with me. Some green that I will mix with red to get a dark color, just for the stitches in the leaves and a bit of shadow. And while I have this red that is pretty dark, I want to go in some parts just to give more contrast. And I need something in the whipped cream, but I have used a ton of white, so I want to remove it because it will never dry. And let's get a bit of a brownish color just to mimic some stitches. Some black for the eye. Not a color I use a lot, but this time it's needed. Let's see that. And the mouth. I add a link to the reference image of this cutie if you want to paint along, and you have the full extended version of the tutorial inside of the course, the Simplified Painting Guide. In the Simplified Painting Guide, I walk you through all the process from selecting an ID to finishing with confidence. If you're ready to simplify your art and have fun again, check the link in the description and join the course. I want you to have fun when you make art. This is really my goal. So check the link in the description and see you there. It's so cute. Yeah, I had fun. This is the most important, and it's 20 minutes. I have skipped some long parts in the video, but real time is 20 minutes. So go ahead. Tell everyone in the house those next 20 minutes are just for me. Forget about me, close the door, and have fun, make art. Thanks for watching. And before you leave, you have this video that YouTube thinks is good for you.